Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste and Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Alright guys, we are in Goa and my camera is getting all moist. If you can see. Oh god, there's so much fog on my lens. Anyway, we have reached Goa this morning, like very early in the morning, and now let's quickly rewind and see how and when we reached. Has been meaning to go to Ajmer, and guess what? Coincidentally, we happened to stop at this dhaba called Ajmer Dhaba at Raichur. Aman, are you excited? Yeah. Are you excited?
Full.
Huh?
Full.
Full excited for beach or excited for a vacation?
Beach. First time.
First time? Same eh?
Yes.
Okay, so this vlog is going to be very special because our Aman is going to beach for the first time after he grew up, right? Chote jab you went to Chennai beach.
No.
You didn't go?
Never.
Yes, Mr. Aman. Did you come to just sleep? This fellow is just eating, sleeping, eating and sleeping. This is Aman's style of vacation, guys. Aman, bula rahe Anu bhaiya. Yes, Aman. How was your reaction?
Ready नहीं है.
हाँ बोलिए.
That means Aman.
This is not required, Aman. Wow, 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 wow.
J for Jack. J for
J for Jan.
मोटे इधर बोले उधर.
What are you doing?
Coffee. So having some nice coffee.
Okay.
Tea lover and a coffee lover. गाड़ी उड़ा देती थी. ये साइड देखो, लाइट ये साइड है.
ये साइड देखो.
हाँ. उठो अरबाज.
उठो रे.
Done. Round number 3 done.
Huh? Huh? No, I'm coming now. Check in.
Check it in. You're booking name, please, sir.
Syed Anwar.
Mr. Syed.
Anwar.
Good morning, Anvacha.
Very good morning.
How did you enjoy driving?
Yeah, I did enjoy.
How much?
How much I enjoy you in my life. So much I enjoyed you.
Welcome to Goa.
Same to you.
Thank you, Nandri. Let's go. कोई भी नहीं है बोले तेलुगु है हाँ वही
Compulsory go.
Guys, we are in Goa and my camera is getting all moist. If you can see, oh god, there's so much fog on my lens. Anyway, we have reached Goa this morning, like very early in the morning. Hey guys, I don't know if the audio is gonna be clear or no because I am at the beach. Yeah. So you guys have already seen how we reached and all that we have done. So right now we're at the beach. It is 6:36 in the morning. So we are at the beach and I have to do my workouts which Sunita has told me, but I won't be able to spare some time. So I thought, why not do some Surya Namaskars at the beach? So here I have my yoga mat ready. I might either leave this voice just how it is with the noise, or I'll have to give a voiceover for the entire video. And very soon my lens is gonna get all moist because it is awesome here, guys. Anyway, I'll do my Surya Namaskaras and see you guys. Alright guys, so I did a couple of Surya Namaskaras and guess who's with me? Ta-da, ta-da!
Good morning, everybody.
Shanu, Sana and
Tabassum. Yes, Tabassum.
Frolic
No,
Tabassum.
Frolic Tabassum. I'm not interested in opening the YouTube channel.
Guys, she's coming up soon. Her videos are ready. It's just that she has to post. I don't know what is holding her back. As soon as we get back to Hyderabad, I am going to post her videos on her channel. So go and subscribe right away.
No, blah, 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 blah. Please have a look at the view. Beautiful view.
but her channel is gonna be more beautiful, guys. So yes, now that we are done spending some quality time, just a gentle reminder, guys, none of us had a proper sleep because we were traveling all the night, and we'll have our breakfast and go and sleep. So let's go and have some breakfast. After finishing what?
breakfast.
ये केक बंद कर
Why is this coming in way? Hold, you must
Okay,
not
then.
let that come. Okay guys, so we just done with our breakfast. I had some fruits. I had I am talking, what are you doing? Oh, so sweet. So I had fruits, I had banana pancake, and I had toast and
Cold
sunny
coffee?
side up. Arey, that is still, and then I had some cold coffee. And now I'm planning to have something because I haven't had anything since last night. Matlab, I didn't even have my dinner. So I would have coffee after some time. So I'm just sitting and chilling right here. And guys, just because I'm looking like this, don't think that I haven't had my shower. I had my shower, but still I'm looking like this. Yes, it is vacation, so I can be what I am, who I am.
This is guy.
Huh?
With this guy.
Oh, with these people I'm having my breakfast is what Aman wants me to tell. And this is your very own Aman, guys. Aman is here in Goa. How excited are you, Aman?
Full excited.
He's supremely excited, and he already had
Excited to expose.
super fun in the beach very early in the morning when I was doing my Surya Namaskaras. He was playing in the water. So kaisa tha Aman, first time experience?
Not on the beach, on the dining table.
So Arbaz is saying that he did not have fun in the beach, but he had fun on the dining. What did you have for your breakfast, Aman?
Dosa. Aloo paratha.
Croissant?
One banana pancake.
Croissant.
That's it? Idli, vada?
Idli vada.
Only idli.
Ange idli. Only idli.
Okay. Okay guys, so that's about our breakfast. So we are almost done, but we'll be chilling here for some time and then go and get some sleep. No, Aman obviously will not sleep because he was sleeping throughout the journey, guys. He was just sleeping, and also there was some paranormal activity that happened last night while we were traveling, which I would be sharing to you guys in some time, probably after we go to the room. Okay guys, so as I told you all that I would be sharing what paranormal activity that has happened to us last night. So basically it was around 2:33 a.m. In the midnight, and all of a sudden there was one white beautiful owl which just came in front of our, I mean it was right in front of me. It came in front of our car, and it was right in front of my face, and with this big eyes, it looked into my eyes. I mean, we literally had eye contact, and then it flew away. And then after we moved a little ahead, all of a sudden our car stopped, and it started blinking. It had no issues, but it started blinking, and then it said there's emergency, you'll have to turn, there's some emergency turn off or something displayed, and it stopped and it was not getting turned on, and with great difficulty it got turned on, and then we just moved little ahead, not even like 250 meters ahead, and that's when I saw some reflection onto my right hand side. We were so freaked out, and I lost words. I had okay, this is what happened last night also. So I was very much freaked out, and all I was saying was shit kuch hai. And then by then I started telling everybody, please sab log Ayatul Kursi padna start karo, and we started chanting. And again, in no time, I saw the same reflection after going few meters ahead, and that's when I was like, I saw it again. And then Aman was getting scared, so mom was like, please don't trouble him, don't make fun and all of that. So that's when Anvarjan and I decided we should just tell that, you know, we were pretending and this was some cooked up story. So we said, no, this was cooked up story, but guys, you won't believe it was for real. We were so freaked out, and we were just chanting, and there was a lot of comedy that happened during this chanting period also, which I will tell you guys in tomorrow's video, so stay tuned. I'll end this vlog right here. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video, and I'm sure you guys will love the series of this vacation, so stay tuned, keep on watching, because there's a lot of content that's coming your way to entertain you guys. And also I would love to share my entire experience on this paranormal activity. So yeah, I'll end this vlog right here. See you guys tomorrow, and until I'll see you next, lots of love.